Welcome to Online PC School, and the next lesson in our series for the beginner in the CM1 class, Computer Maintenance 1, is My Computer. Now if you remember last time we were on the desktop and we'd arranged our icons in different corners here, and rather than just up one side, categorizing your different related icons. But we're going to talk about just a little about up here. It says My Computer. Now if you notice, when I float that in, it says shows the disk drives and hardware connected to this computer. Okay, so if you've all got your computer icon up here, My Computer, you can do a few things with it. Now if you haven't, you know how to get to it because you've been shown. Okay, so remember, you right click anywhere on the desktop, go to Properties, go to Desktop, tab, click on Customize Desktop, and then tick the box where it says My Computer. Okay, and then it'll bring it up on your desktop. Alright. Now if we double click, it brings up your Explorer window, My Computer, and it shows you shared folder. Right, such things as shared folder and user documents for the two users, in which case I've got two users, so I'm getting two of those. And then you'll have your C drive, which is your main C drive with your operating system on, and if you've got a partitioned drive or a secondary drive or slave drive, you'll have another drive with your D drive. And then you'll have, of course, your floppy and any optical drives, DVD players, burners, CD burners, writers, whatever you want to call them, and they're all there like that. And other things as well, you've got system tasks, so you've got shortcuts basically to other places, My Documents, Shared Documents, Control Panel, and you've got this up arrow here you can press and it disappears, reappears. Okay, happens for all of them. So yeah, this is basically what My Computer is about. And if you click on this drop down box here, you can see a list of other places to go. Okay, and I'll just briefly touch on your C drive. You can do things like right click on your C drive and you've got a menu of things, but I won't go into them in too much detail. Same with your D drive, and also do things like sharing of different folders. Okay, and also you've got your menu along the top, your search, folders. This menu along here, without getting too much into another lesson, you can remove this list here. If you go to Tools, click on Tools and then go Folder Options. Okay, you can see here in Tasks, right, and it's this one here, Use Windows Classic Folder. Right, if you click that button there, or radio button as they call it, see how the icon changes here, this icon here. Right, if you move it, click it, you see the list there and your icons there. So if we drag this across to here, you see your list there, and then we click there, right, and go Apply, and it moves the menu from there. So if you're in My Computer and that menu's not there and you're thinking, where is it, what's happened to it, or there used to be a menu there and it'd be handy to have it back, it'd be nice to have it back, go to Folder Options, Under Tasks, it'll be set to use Windows Classic folders. Just tick the radio button, show common tasks in folders, click Apply, and then it'll magically appear back for you. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, so we'll finish in there for the minute. And the next thing staying on my computer is, if you right click on my computer, there's a whole gambit of things here that you can select. Obviously there's Open, Explore. Click on Explore, it opens up like Windows Explorer. Little cross button there to close it off. Right click again, you've got Search, so you can do a search. Brings up the search. It's just different ways of doing things, different ways of going about things. You can bring up the search tool by going Start and clicking on Search here as well. See, you get the same result. So there's a few different ways of getting to the same place. Right click, you've got Manage. Now this is another lesson altogether. If you click on Manage, it'll bring up your computer management. This is mainly for the advanced CM2 advanced course, and there's a whole heap of things here that you can do, and some of them are quite handy. We won't go into that. I'm just demonstrating the list. And you've got Scan. You can scan with your virus scanner. Map network drive. So that's another tutorial altogether. Disconnect network drive. Create a shortcut. Delete and rename, and properties. If you click on properties, it brings up your system properties. Okay, now that will be our next lesson. Alright, so we'll leave it there at that, and I'll talk to you again soon.